Mr. Crocker, but I'm going to finish school and make my son proud, even if it kills him. Walk it off, son. Oh, here, rub some macaroni on it. Here's some for you, Mr. Crocker.
Macaroni? No one's ever given me anything that didn't require an antidote.
I want a macaroni.
Thanks, Turner.
Hey, I'm Turner.
Not anymore. From now on, you're Becky. The name Turner belongs to my new favorite student, Jimmy's dad.
And that's why
Come here, buddy.
go well with ham.
Thought-provoking with a touch
Hey,
of
buddy,
pathos.
come here.
So, in conclusion, grandfather clocks are not made out of real grandfathers.
I wish I'd known that a year ago. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
And so you can see, sticks and stones may break your bones, but names they psychologically
Ah,
wounds that
boy,
never
go get your cup away from your brother. Colby, thank you. Bring it to me. I'll put it over here with me.